Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you how to delete save chats on Snapchat. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you want to delete those save chats here at Snapchat and maybe remove it totally or clear your chats, well, this one's pretty easy. First thing that you want to do is you want to open up Snapchat here. And you want to go and click on your profile at the top left, or you want to go and click on the messages section at the bottom of your screen. Now in here, you want to go access the chat section or the chat that you want to remove your saved message. And you want to go and press and hold on that saved message that you want to delete. And you want to go and choose the unsave in chat option. So just in case you don't want to unsave everything in here, well, you also have the option to clear your chats. So to do that, you want to go ahead over to your page here again, click on your profile at the top left, go and click on the gear icon at the top right, and you want to go and just scroll down a bit here until you see the section for accounts or privacy. So what you're looking for specifically is going to be the clear conversations option. Now, typically it's going to be under privacy controls or accounts. It is totally depends on the current version for Snapchat. But yeah, in here, you want to go and choose the option that says clear conversations. And in here, you want to go ahead and just click on the X button where you want to clear your conversation for. So for example, you have this one, you can go and click on the X on that person, click on clear. And once you've done this, you want to go ahead over here. And so you can see that conversation has been cleared. And that's about it. So if you found this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.